Hi guys! So now, meron akong binili online sa Shopee na things na magagamit ko for my online teaching job na in-applyan ko. I will tell you kung ano yun kapag nakapasok na ako guys. So actually, I will have my demo on Friday. Tapos na ako sa initial interview and training. Yun na lang yung demo na lang. So, eto siya guys. Actually, na-open ko na siya. Paso, yan. Kaya, ganito yung sa sobrang excitement ko. So, this is from international, ng Shopee, no? From China. This is from China, Guangdong, Shenzhen. So, Shenzhen pa to guys. Galing. So, akala ko matatagalan talaga kasi on Friday na kailangan ko na. So, yeah, when I open it, dalawang box kasi dalawa yung in-order ko. Ang isa is a camera, webcam, and then ang isa is a noise cancelling headphone. So, magagamit ko to siya for my online teaching. So, yun lang. Wala lang naman. So, this is the boxes. Tingnan nyo naman. Ano siya na klaseng box, makapal. Yeah, so hindi talaga siya if ever na ang mga things ni Shopee or sa ni delivery man is magkapatong-patong. Hindi talaga siya magsasag. So yeah, let us first open the small one. This is the camera and it has what's this? A QR code. So, eto. Tada! Naka-plastic siya guys. It is a ziplock. Ayan. And it has a wire. It has the USB cable and the microphone plug. So, it has a microphone thingy, software na meron siyang microphone na camera. So, eto, yeah, meron siyang clip guys. Look. So, this is how you clip it. Ganyan. Dito yung monitor. Yan. So, ilang nga ba ito? So QC pass. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang MP ito, megapixel. Hindi ko na tinignan. Yun, so yun yung camera. And on the box, meron siyang PC camera user's guide. So, yeah, nandito, meron siyang 640 and 480 ang resolution niya. So, 30 FPS, yun yung frame rate niya. And ang cable length is 143 cm. So, tingnan nyo naman. It's average. Ganyan. Yan, ganyan. Isang metro. Kasi hindi naman aabot ng 1 year. Ganyan. Yeah. So, yeah, self-plug-in siya na-try ko siya sa ko. Actually, tinry ko na kanina sa computer ko. And yeah, guys, no need for installing softwares. As in, may install talaga siya. Ito-plug nyo na lang yung USB cable niya. Okay, so that's for the camera. And the next one is this. This is a noise cancelling microphone. Ta-da! Let's get it. Okay. Yeah. Chan. Wow. So this is ito yung sa taas niya. Hindi ko naman tawag dito guys. Pasensya na. And then this yung ang tawag niya itong ipa-plug sa tenga. Tingnan nyo. It can be rotated. Kung saan kayo mas comfortable. Yan. Meron siya ganyan. And then guys, it has the microphone. Yeah. This is the microphone. Yeah. And meron to siyang guide, of course. Yung makikita nyo on the box. So, ito ang tawag dito is it has a 180 degrees pala, 180 degrees na malo-rotate mo, and then ang earphone arm is 330 degrees, easy to wear. And then meron siyang ganito guys, this one, and ito yung port niya. Ito yung port niya guys, USB port. Which is what we call the fourth kind of plug, kasi yung iba dalawang parang jack ang ilalagay sa computer, but this one is just a USB cable. Yun yung ito, and then parang installed na siya, no need na siya i-install. Meron siyang ganito on the center, which is meron siyang minus volume. So, kung saan ko yung nabili, ito po yung store ng Shopee. Ito po, this one. Ito po yung store na nabilhan ko noon. And actually, it took me waiting siguro sobra 1 week, but it's okay. Just order it in advance. Kasi ako akala ko hindi talaga aabot. So, yun yung nandun is 14 days. Nandun. So, sabi ko, hindi na aabot. But yeah, hindi siya umabot ng 14 days. Actually, parang mga 9 days or 8 days ata. Yun, guys. So, kung kayo, you are planning to have an online job, online teaching, I highly recommend it.
So guys, this is the sample of the camera. So as you can see, hindi po ako gumamit ng lightings. Natural light lang to ng bulb namin. Ito po yung result. And then for the noise cancelling headphone, this is the audio. And yeah, I'm really satisfied with it. I highly recommend this. It is very kumbaga, for me, super B. And for the camera, if you are very meticulous with the camera, pwede naman kayo bumili sa iba yung maganda ang quality. But yeah, this is okay na lang din siya for me. Okay lang din siya for the price. It is worth it for the price. So yun, I highly recommend this store. Wag lang kayo magpa-rush kasi galing pa to ng China. Yeah, you have to be patient with it. Thanks for watching.